This is a 1991 Volvo 240. It's a pretty basic vehicle. It has all the things cars have. It is very, very clean. I've gone and cleaned the inside out and the outside very, very much. Let's give it a start. Let's see if it runs. It has a whopping 217,000 miles, 432. It's four-door. Comes with all four doors and a trunk and a hood. Inside the trunk there's a spare tire that's got lots of tread on it. There's a very good four-way lug nut wrench. There's some tire changing parts in there. This side of the wheel well has a big plastic bag, jumper cables, a jack, and a miscellaneous wrench. Back. All the doors open and close nice and easy. Clean. Engine bay is pretty clean. And this battery is pretty old. It's a little tired. It may be because the car sat for the better part of the last 3 years. It's not in such great shape. It will start the car, but you can also run down the battery pretty easily. So it might leave you stranded if you rely on that old battery, but it is still good enough working. I did fix the radio. It said, oh, right now it says code also. What you do is you enter in 1225, and now the radio works. And well, put it on a station and it works. Yeah. Not the best radio, but it's a stock 1991 radio. Comes with the car. It is very low on gasoline, and it's a little low on oil too, so I'm going to leave those up to the new owners to deal with. Put some gas in it, put some oil in it, and drive it. It's not a race car, it's not a fancy car, it's an old car that is safe and good basic transportation. Nothing fancy, just regular old car. There it is.